Welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you in how to set up MNR Tunnel VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Let us start today's tutorial by downloading the application from Google Play Store. You're going to download the application called MNR. It is a VPN application that will secure your network so that you can access a secured internet on all Android devices. So this is the application I'm talking about, the MNR Tunnel Pro. As you see, it has ultra speeds. It is a new application. It will be working in all countries. So after downloading it, open it, and this is a note that this tutorial is only purposely for education purposes and information purposes only. We are not answerable to any form of harm our users may be. We are not answerable to any form of harm, hacking, and other ways the users of this application may use this application. So users may be using this application at their own risk. So I request all users of the application to join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. But for now, I'm going to be clicking later. So this is what we're going to do next. You're going to come right here where we have the update, and then you update the configs. Then wait for a few moments. That is an advert. Don't worry for adverts. So after updating the config, this process needs an active or a running data bundle. So after updating the config, the application will be up to date. Now this is what you're going to do next. You're going to come right here. I have Egypt, and then you're going to do this. You're going to be seeing 5 servers, but I request all my viewers to select the auto server, or you can choose a server from your country's location, or you can choose a server that is near to your country's location for optimized performance, better usage, and fast internet access. So you're going to come right here. You have mobile Wi-Fi and data, and then you're going to come and search UDP. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. So this is the server I'm talking about. Many have been talking about this server, but right now I've brought you a tutorial on how to set it up. So choose that server, and then after you come where you have the start button, then wait for a few moments. We're free to accept the VPN service as wait for a few moments. So make sure to comply with the local laws. Make sure to read your service provider's terms and conditions or using the application. So wait for a few moments so that you can be connecting. It has connected successfully, and then you are watching an advert right now. That is an advert. Those in Uganda, I'm activating SIM cards right now for free. Just go to the comment section, drop your numbers of Airtel, and then I'll be activating them. Thank you guys. I sign out.